Today I have a real treat for you. Do you ever wish there was a way you could record the screen from your iPad, your iPhone, Chrome stick, Nintendo Switch, Steam Deck, and game console without using the device's internal memory? Well, I have the solution. This little jewel. Okay, here is the View Pro ClonerAlliance standalone HD video capture and recorder with a 7-inch LCD screen. This will record anything with an HDMI out. If you're a gamer, you're recording your games, a camera, you can record cameras. Anything that has an HDMI out, this will record. HD, AV, YBP, PR, VGA video capture for your older computers. No PC required. Record playback, schedule recording, ultra low latency. Comes with a very nice case. It's felt. Okay. You've got an area right here for batteries. You got your vents for cooling. And here you've got your 12 volt in, 2 PC, out, in, MMIN, LCD on off. Your controls, source, 3, 16 to 9, camera, record, stop, playback, trash, home, back, information, USB, SD, PC, and forward, backward, up, down, okay. It's got a battery right there. And on the other side, you've got your storage. You can use an SD card, or you can use your external hard drive, anything with USB output. It can sit on a camera tripod, line in, mic in, line out. You've got picture directions. Very good. Fast start. For the manual and the help, there's a scanning code. USB mini to USB. Installation tool. This is a mini tripod. Your components for outputs, inputs, remote control, and your electric. Now to demo this, I'm using HDMI to USB-C cable adapter, and this works with any HDMI out or in to any USB-C out or in. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and hook it up, and I'm going to give you a demo. HDMI goes right into HDMI right there. And then the other end, which is USB-C, we're going to try it first with an iPad Pro. USB-C, USB-C right there. And I've got an external hard drive which connects storage, and this is a USB connection right there. Everything this shows goes through here. This also has a 7-inch monitor. This is 1080p HD, and it records to any USB flash drive, hard drive, or SD card. Turn it on, and you've got real simple controls. Left, right, up, down, okay. Your home button with your settings, back, record, stop, playback, source, 4.3, 16.9, and also you can take a snapshot of anything, and it tells you right here which source you're using for the output. You can use USB, SD, or a PC. I find that using my PC on anything that's over 5 minutes long is real sketchy, and a lot of apps, when you run them, it won't record through the same device. And you see right there, it's already showing my home screen right there. I'll go ahead and record. I'm really enjoying my ClonerAlliance View Pro. I've been using it as a camera monitor. I've used it to record demos. I've used it to record segments of applications and programs that I normally can't record with just a screen record. I've been very happy with this. I highly recommend this to anyone. It is external, it is standalone, and you just copy and drag the file from the USB drive or the SD card, wherever you recorded it, to wherever you need to use the MP4 file. And that's it. That's what I have for this week. Take care, have a great day, and I will see you next week.